State Governor Alex Otti on Thursday said though he remained a member of the Labour Party, he authorized his followers to join the party they like for the local government election in the state. Otti stated this during the November edition of his monthly media chat with newsmen in Umuahia. "I remain in LP. If there is a need to leave, you'll be properly informed," he said. Otti, speaking on Thursday, however, said, "I can assure you that I'm in LP. The crisis in LP made a lot of our supporters go elsewhere. Our people know those that will deliver the goods. As our people say, you know the child that you send out that will not disgrace you when they give him food. Even if he's hungry, he will refuse to eat." I believe that was what has happened in this case. Right from the time I stood up to contest the election in 2015, when I left PDP to join APGA, our people followed me and I won that election then. APGA has not even won one councillorship before that time, and then we took almost half of the House of Assembly seats in 2015. So sometimes people recognize that political parties are empty platforms, and that when you model up things in your political parties, you give advantage, create opportunities for your competitors, and that was what happened in this last election. I authorized my followers to join any political party they liked, and the majority of them moved into other political parties. I remain in the Labour Party. Anytime I'm going to leave, that is if there is any need to leave, you will be properly informed," Otis said. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news stories like this.